indications are that it's going to be tough to get used to the new boat, and that we've got a lot of new systems that we have to get used to, like running the water maker.
This here is the water, I should say, inlet. Then you don't have to do anything with it apart from the normal servicing.
So where is the seawater coming in?
We're learning about the electrical systems and the generator.
How much do you know about engines?
It's okay, because my wife is about to get into the engine department at the...
And just, you know, docking in a catamaran is a whole different ball game from in monohull. So I expect that I'm going to learn a lot on this journey. I'm ready.
Look at that.
Done, babe. We own a boat.
Cheers.
Cheers! We own a boat. Okay, we've just come back to our boat for the first time since dinner out. This is where we live. It's crazy, I know. I might have had a few wines, but that's all the better to give you a tour of the boat with. And now we are going to go down to the, what's the proper name? A stateroom? To the owner's cabin. This is our bedroom. I know, it's huge. And this is our luxuriously large rest of the owner's cabin. This is the head. We have the shower. It's lovely and spacious. This is the washer dryer. Look, the boat's so large I've already lost Ryan. Where is he? Okay, now we go to the guest rooms. This is where our friends will stay. Toilet. Kind of covered in cushions at the moment, but this is where the guests would stay. This is what I like to call the aquarium, although technically I think it's an escape hatch. Each guest gets their own head. Should we take a look at the deck? Okay. Up here is our little sun deck.
No, stop. I think it's this way.
I don't think so.
No? So this is our car that's going to take us to shore every time we're at anchor or at mooring, and it's a slight upgrade from the last one we had, which was a mere 8 foot and 3.5 horsepower. And this time we have 10 foot, a lot larger dinghy, but also a 25 horsepower outboard, which is going to get us to wherever we want real fast.
Okay, we're going to test out our 25 horsepower dinghy again! Oh my god! Ryan is trying to kill me. We have a new dinghy engine, 25 horsepower, and I think he's trying to throw me out of the boat. Let's try it again.
Much power.
Okay, I'm holding on. I'm sitting in the hull now. Okay, ready? Holy shit! Even though I love the idea that a journey starts with a lot of unknowns, I think it also creates anxiety in me. I know intellectually that you can't plan for them. You just have to have confidence in your experiences and in your knowledge that no matter what happens, you will deal with it. There's lots of stresses involved in any choices you make in life, but I want for there to be more of the fun and less of the crises or less of the issues that you have to deal with. But the truth is, the issues are the things that actually teach you the stuff that makes you a better sailor. Life at sea is unpredictable, but then a life where you can predict everything is just boring. So maybe my biggest fear is being bored, and that's definitely not going to happen when you set out on a journey to sail around the world. Let me tell you something. My fear is boredom.
Why should someone follow this story?
You should follow this story because we have no idea what's going to happen. If the actual makers of this story don't know what's going to happen, that's exciting.
Today we are going to make lunch on board for the first time using our Sovereign barbecue grill.
I'm guessing I'll probably cut to it, Tash, if you just point to it with a later footage shot. Why don't you point to it for me? Okay, go for
I
it.
don't like this thing where you get to be director.
Can I stop for a second?
No.